Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do coding. What? You will teach me how to do coding? Bro, we know coding. Yes, you know coding. You know better what to code. But sometimes you may be or you may miss or you might have missed how to code. Yeah, that's true. See, the fundamentals will be the fundamentals forever. They remain same, they never change, right? So there is a huge difference between what to code and how to code. What to code you know better, and that will be a differ as per the requirement. But what about how to code? Let's see. Many of the cases or many times you might have experienced that you have completed your given task or projects, but you might have missed few cases, silly cases. Then you think, how is this possible? How could I have done this? Most of the times you miss silly cases. You miss to cover it in your coding. So how to avoid these silly mistakes or gaps in your daily work, in your coding work, basically. What I am going to say is not a rocket science, but the thing is that in the flow of daily work, coding work, we forget to add some fundamentals in our work. Let me share you my real life example or experience. When I used to be a web developer, and my lead always used to say, whenever you get a task, never go for the coding directly, never jump for the coding. The first step is you have to write a good approach. So while writing the approach, you have to think like a end user, the person who will be going to use your application or your written functionality, right? So never think like a developer. Let's take an example. Suppose you got a task to create a form like personal info form. Here you have to think all the validations the user face, like suggestions, Google suggestions would better for pin code field or address field, email validations, how the form will show the error, password, strong password suggestions. So these are the things you have to see from the angle of the end user, not from the angle of a developer, right? After that, once you done with your good approach, write it down somewhere. Secondly, you have to get the estimation for that approach, which is very important. Once you get the estimation, then take the sign off from the manager and you can start your coding. See, we all know these fundamental things. We all are Gyani people. But the problem is that we are so lazy to follow up our own Gyan. That is the problem. We always show our laziness to write a good approach. See, apart from this good approach, you have to do the rest of the things by anyhow. Like estimation, you have to give. Manager will ask for it. Execution, you have to do, no doubt. And what about the good approach? you have to learn how to write the good approach, right? So as summarizing this video, whenever you get the task, don't jump on the execution. The first step is take a pen, paper, or whatever or however you are comfortable writing the good approach. Write it down. Okay, and also we have given the example, but in the real case it will different as per the requirement. Number two will be estimation. You have to learn how to estimate the task or approach, right? So as per the experience, once you get older in your domain, you can able to give the exact, not exact, but nearly estimation. And finally, the execution. As per the knowledge or experience, you can write the code. So I hope, so that is it, guys. I hope you would like this video, and this video will help you to remind these fundamental steps that you have already know. And love you all, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.